Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
So today we are going to learn about the data definition language. The short form is DDL. So what is meant by the DDL language? Why we are using this DDL language? What are the basic commands of the DDL language? All these concepts basically we are going to learn today. So DDL, or we can say that data definition language, consists of GQL commands that can be used to define the database schemas. Like whenever we want to define the database schemas, like whenever we want to perform the operations related to database, related to how to create the data, how to delete the data, how to rename the data. So whenever we want to perform such a kind of operation, that time basically we are using this DDL command. It simply deals with the description of the database schemas, and it used to create and modify the structure of database object in the database. So it simply deals with the descriptions of the database schemas, and we can create and modify the structure of the database object in the database. As well as DDL, we can say that is a set of SQL command used to create, modify, and delete command structure, but not a data. So this is just a delete command structure basically we are using, but not a data. These commands are normally not used by general users who should who should be accessing the database via application. So this is meant by the DDL command we have, guys. Now what are those DDL command? Here you can see these are the four DDL command basically we have: create, drop, alter, truncate. So create, this command basically is used to create the database or its object like table, index, function, view, stored, procedure, and trigger. So basically we are going to learn over here how to create a data table. So here you can see, guys, I'm just opening my PostgreSQL, and here I'm just connecting my PostgreSQL. I'm just inserting my password over here, and here you can see I'm by default connected to my database, which is named as a Postgres. Okay. Now, if I want to see how many database we have, simply I can use the du command, and you can see like I have only one database which is named as a Postgres, and this is the by default database we have whenever we install the Postgres SQL server. Once this is done, how many data table basically we have within this database? So that we if that kind of command, that type of data table we want to check, simply we have to use dt command, and with the help of this dt command, I can see, guys, I have only one table which is named as a student table. Now I'm going to use the create command, create SQL command, for creating a database. So simple, I have to use uh, create table, and table name I have to give simple. I'm giving the employee table name. Okay. And what exactly I need to do, guys, here I just need to provide the ID. Okay, you know very well about the whenever we are giving the any column name, that column name, basically that column name, that in that column basically we can contain the different data, like integer data we can store, string data we can store, float data we can store. So you can see, guys, id basically we are storing in the integer. So simple, I'm going to provide integer value, comma, I have a first name. So first name I'm going to provide like varchar. Okay. Suppose the first name I'm giving 50. Always remember, whenever we are creating the data over here, you must do, if we are creating the data like a string data we are going to create. I mean to say, whenever we are defining the column in a string format, that time we have to define that column name in the double quote. So first name I'm going to define, comma, do we have last name? Yes, we have a last name. Last name varchar I'm defining, and last name also I'm giving the text over here 50, and then we can again define the city name. Okay, city name, these many data basically I'm going to define, and city also defined for varchar. And simple, I'm just defining the how many character basically we are accepting, 50 character it is accepting. So if I'm pressing enter, and here you can see, guys, if I'm pressing enter over here, my table is successfully created over here. If I want to see like what are the rows and columns, what are the column basically we created, as of now the rows haven't added over here because we haven't created any rows basically over here. So if I want to see the data table view over here, simply I have to use select star from table. So here you can see, guys, I can able to successfully see over here my table, and here you can see these are the column basically we have ID, first name, last name, city, these many table we have. So this is mean by the DDL command, and with the help of this DDL command we can create the data table. Okay, once this is done, then second command we have, which is named as a like alter command. Basically we are going to use. So alter, it means guys, this is used to alter the structure of the database. So basically whenever we want to alter the structure of the database, that time basically we have to use this alter command. So with the help of the alter command, you can add the data, you can drop the data as well. So both the thing basically we are going to use over here. So you can see guys, if I want to add the extra column over here within this employee table, simple, I have to use alter command. I have to use alter table name. Which table name we have? Employee. Okay, and what exactly we have to use? Add column. Okay, this word I have to use, and suppose I'm going to add the pin code over here. This column basically I'm going to add, and pin code data type is basically integer we have, so I'm just giving the integer number over here, semicolon. If I'm pressing enter, here you can see guys, integer word is like wrong over here. So if I'm pressing enter, here you can see I can able to successfully add the column over here within this table, which is named as the employee. If I can see, like is it successfully added over here, and if I'm pressing enter button over here, you can see guys, the pin code column is successfully added over here within this employee table. When this is done, now even we can see like this is how basically we can add the column over here. If you want to alter the particular column, it means if you want to drop the particular column, simply you can use that term also. Like what exactly you have to do guys over here? Simple, you have to use alter keyword, alter table name. My table name is employee, and we have to use drop, and pin code basically we have to use semicolon. If I'm pressing enter, here you can see guys, again that what, like we just added the new column which is named as a pin code, and with the help of the drop command, with the help of the alter command, we can successfully drop the particular column over there. And if I'm selecting, like if I'm checking again my existing table which is named as the employee, with the help of the select star from employee command, you can see guys, ID, first name, last name, city, all still are the same over here. Okay, so this is how basically alter command we can use. With the help of the alter command, we can, what exactly we can do guys, we can simply delete the column over here. Now another statement we have which is named as a drop statement. So before drop, we are going to learn about a truncate statement. So truncate statement, this is used to remove the all record from the table, including all spaces allocate for this for the record and remove. So with the help of this truncate command, we can delete the all table, all data basically, but not a table. Now if we are using this employee table right now, within this employee table we don't have any row over here. So we can check, do we have any other data table? Yes, we have another data table also we have, which is named as a student table. If I'm selecting the command select star from student, this command basically I'm going to use, you can see guys, here two rows were present within this table, which is named as the first row Ganesh Jadhav, and second row we have which is named as a Dipali Jadhav. Now with the help of the truncate command, we can delete the particular data within a table. So your table, with the help of the truncate command, we cannot able to complete the, we cannot able to delete the complete table. We are just deleting the data over here. And here you can see guys, I'm just using the truncate command, truncate table, and my table name. What is my table name? Student is my table name. Here you can see guys, if I'm pressing enter over here, you can see my table is successfully truncate over here. And if I'm fetching the data within this student data table, you can see guys, my rows are 0 over here. It means Ganesh and Dipali, both the rows, first and second ID's data, both the rows is successfully deleted over here with the help of the truncate command. So with the help of the truncate command, only data is deleted within data table. Data table isn't deleted. And then last statement we have, which is named as a drop statement. So what is meant by the drop statement? This command is used to delete the object from the database. So whenever we want to delete the complete object within this database, that time we have to use this drop command. So drop command, it means with the help of the drop command, you can delete the complete object. Like if you are using the drop command with the help of the particular on the particular data table, it means within that database your table is completely removed. So right now, if I'm checking /dt, here you can see two table we have, employee, student, and here I'm applying the here I'm going to apply the drop command on the particular table, like I'm using the employee table. So here you can see guys, drop table, and I'm simply using employee table. And here if I'm providing semicolon, and here you can see guys, my drop table is successfully done. This command is successfully running over here. And if I'm going to check again that how many data tables we have, you can see guys, the employee table should not be available over here. And basically after the dropping the particular table, your table is not available within that database. Here you can see if I'm pressing enter, here you can see only one data table we have. And this is the thing basically I want to tell you about the DDL, which is named as a data definition language. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you really like this video. Thanks for watching, guys.